my brothers and my sisters, I want to take this opportunity to thank God the way He take protect us as we go vote last Saturday. You know, say some people get bad party for their belly, say that election no go take place. But God called to him say, He can't overrule everybody, we can't do the election. I will now go take my IC. By the time they finish voting, PDP no can get anything for National Assembly. APC, we got 2 senators. Labour got 1. So this one where they come now for Saturday, this one might be really important. Where? The reason why important is say, all those bad party way governor be they do. There is no House of Assembly where you will feel complaint to. If governor slap you, where you walk cry to, there is no House of Assembly. Governor match your feet, no House of Assembly. God will take car and knock you, nowhere to go. He give you certificate of occupancy in the morning. You come begin build house, call roof the house. The following the governor come say he go destroy the house. He go destroy the house. You are nowhere to go. House of Assembly, you know there. You go for court, the court will be there. They look you, they look out. Now only one man dey for Edo State. Now make our people they cry every day. When they watch those market women, they cry, say small boy they come collect money from them for all sorts of things. They will cry for television. Television not fit change anything. They cry for newsmen. Newsmen will report, but you are nowhere to go. But if to say you get House of Assembly where they listen, now if you make law say governor no fit destroy a house where you build according to law. If he do so, they must first give notice. That notice must be put for newspapers for at least 3 months, and then they must bring money to pay you. The time where they do airport road, it gets some places where because it's the road as we want to expand and make it wide, it will affect some houses. We go meet those people, we talk to them, we explain to them, say this is the reason why this your house will be like say we go reduce part of it. But we go pay you, we go do calculation, we pay the person. The person they happy, we they happy, the people they happy. To be governor not be to make us God. Governor not be God. But without a House of Assembly, you can't get somebody now where it be like say, he see himself say he be God. Whatever he do, nobody can talk. You have nowhere to complain to. You elected 24 people, now only 10 of them he allow make it work. The other 40 people, he locked them out. The time when they walk to enter, he carry tipper, go block House of Assembly. Carry Sasa, go block House of Assembly. Because he no one make House of Assembly operate. So time don't reach now. Me, but let the sweet me say, the governor don't see now say, now people get power. He no get. All that way they say, I be governor, I be governor, I be governor. He forget say he was ordinary person. He was the special advisor. But take I see how he man black, how they do bad thing for people. Now he make we no get him ticket for APC in 2019. He come the lie say they want to control this, this. He lies okay, people come talk say too. Maybe second term he will do better. Me, as I just say, truth no day for this man heart. He had bad well. Now we say too, if we take mistake, bring him. As we call the truth, we'll come at him. But he call Lila for food for ground. So people come and give pity and say, maybe this. So now don't take on the eye now. He demolish your house where you want to go. House of Assembly, 10 of them dey for a pocket. Constituency project when I dey here, when I be governor, every House of Assembly get allocation where go take build school for its own area. When I don't see new school, my people, this thing not be matter of where anybody come from. It's a matter of how your heart be. And the House of Assembly, he represent the diversity of Edo. Because in that House of Assembly, you get 10 members for Bini. You get 6 members for Isha, Edo Central. You get about 8 members for Edo North. So everybody they represented there. If they give them money, whether they call them constituency project, everybody they do school for his constituency. We know if you talk say your area, nobody remember you. Because when I vote, now, take your eye look up. Waiting new for your place. Which good thing you don't do? They will talk for television say Edo best. But our school no get teachers. How can school be best when teacher no dey? Even the school where I do, the university where I take law set up, you don't revise them. all the better thing wey we do to clean drainage so that water go flow comot if rain dey come, e no gree do am. Na make erosion don return back now to Benin. The street light where I be put, he remove them. You see election dey come now, he come bring the light back. Who remember the road now? That place where fine, where I come do, say if person wan marry or in the evening he wan relax, he go there go take photo. My belly dey sweet when I see young people, they will go to Rig Road, say they want Furamen Square, say they want do photo to show say the day where they marry, see the car crew where they wear. Who fit go there now? That water party don't be like where mosquito they get belly, they produce mosquito. So for me, the way poor man go show big man say power for democracy, they for poor man hand. On Saturday, Edo people go show say na them be landlord. Those mechanic, those market women, those traders, those people they hawk all kinds of things. Na them be the owner of the state. Like they vote. Who be the tenant? Who na watches away? The governor way they do all the bad things every day for television. So as this time don't reach now, whatever you do on Saturday, make you stop. Go and vote. Vote against Obaseki. Vote against PDP. Anybody where show face for PDP, even Labour be one take corner deceive them. So that whether you vote Labour, it be like say now you vote for. But for we clear. Nigerian people, they don't vote for our candidate already. So we don't already did for federal government in Igba. I think Obeguna. We vote for House of Assembly for APC on Saturday. Now be say Edo will return back to federal government. And as our president be talk, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, when he come campaign for Edo, he talks say all this bill where they give people, light will no consume, you come pay. That one go come on. The one way be say your pikin go school. Instead of 4 years, you will do 6 years. That one go stop. All those who will be the worry now, Tinubu now take him out, talk out. Say when he become president, he go stop him. Say the can gas where he did for this land, he own, if he be president and he don't become president now by the special grace of God, he will sure say Edo go become that place where industries go there. Una no go forget. Say to get work, you no go draw for heaven. Now how government take work? When I dey here, now this Chinese company where they make rod, iron rod, from scraps, take and make iron rod, they take build house. Now when I be governor, now they come. Today they employ people for Bobaoka. Now when I dey here, that company where they make ceramic, where we take do all those red roof schools, we know import them. Now from Edo they make them. That company came to Edo when I be governor. Boa Cement, when I be governor, now they be closer. I can't tell them, if they never reopen, we go revoke. Today, Boa Cement is one of the biggest factories for Nigeria. When I be governor, now we bring Dangote. I tell them, say, Dangote, you be my friend, oh, but if my people don't get job, which guy gonna go be when I don't fit create job? Now Dangote start construct a cement factory for Okwila. The factory don't they operate now, employ Nigerians. Now so economy they grow. Not be go say MOU for paper, put for television, they celebrate, Chinese man they come, Japanese they come, Singaporean they come. Wait till you no take your eyes see, no believe. Now no say when I be there here now talk say we go stop policy of earmark. Government go do, government go say to eye mark. Wait till you no see, no believe. Like for government too much. Una go take una eye look at airport road now. Look at all the road where God used me to do. That place where Mami water be dead, they say that Mami water who come out. I don't do juju. I just take better heart to walk. Mami water run away. Today, that road still there. So, you just take una heart say, you will let bad person know wahala go day. You will let good person know better go day. God talk out for Bible say, where wicked people be governor, the people must to suffer. Where better people be governor, people must to be happy. I know what proud though, but make I talk true. When I dey here, people not happy. When I go market, we may that quickly or buy talk by the fit do go market now. When I remember when I the check say teacher we no fit teach, me no day for our school. All those things we do, you know they now. When I be governor here, if they go take motor knock tomato for market, the market woman go say, come do somebody take motor spoil that tomato, we go pursue the person. And I feel this so now. So I think God bless you. Don't be to cry, say governor bad, governor bad. This is the time to teach and lesson. Say now, get this state. We, the people, the mechanic, the trader, those people for Welu, we go, they come, Oshiomhole. Aha. He think say, he sabi. Because go Welu now, Welu people say, where I do the road for Welu reach, na day. You know if he complete the road though, but he want their vote. I like the way they told Oshiomhole, pepper. They don't carry knife, they don't carry stick. Now mouth say, we no go vote you. Me, even if they don't vote for us, they vote for me. It's still better say they no go to we vote for Obaseki. Who near them? The korokoro way they hang will touch the person. So Saturday, I take God Beguna. Beguna wear pancake, if that be women. For men, wear your trouser. However the condition be, we'll go, we'll carry our PVC, we'll vote, we'll sit down there, we'll make sure say they count the vote and they declare the winner. And APC win the seat. You have State House of Assembly where anything bad happen, and I will go there. I think God Beguna, make no verse. Say I talk plenty, but what you do for this land now, plenty. God bless you. God bless your Peking. God bless your family. God bless our state. God bless our Oba. God bless all our traditional rulers. God bless the state. God bless Nigeria. All of us, make God bring better come our land so that once again, together we will smile when we see each other. Life will be better again. God bless you.